Hey you everyone, welcome to my channel. It's official Keem Reacts here. I'm a Jamaican. So today I'll be reacting to Swimming Beatles by the BEATPELLA House. These guys are one of my favorite beatboxers out there. I can't be denial. Okay, so people, with that being said, let's see what the G's have for us today. Peace. These guys are just too incredible. The beatboxing that they're doing is very incredible. Like it is just like an actual, stereotype that they use to make beats. Trust me, they're just the real deal, bro. That transition is smooth, bro. Like her voice is just smooth overall. The entire performance is smooth overall. Like they're just too smooth with this, too articulate with this, bro. Oh my word. Oh my word, yo, these guys are crazily amazing, bro. Like the transitioning are just so good. Bro, the only issue I have with this, it ended too quickly. They just killed the entire performance with this beatboxing, though. Trust me, that was so enjoying. It is so relaxing, so good, very very good, guys. This was very good. So, people, thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed my reaction, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, turn the bell icon on to be notified and for every time I releases another BEATPELLA house reaction. I'll see you guys around, man. Stay safe, walk good.